junk. Eating in the same way as being bullied. Distress, performance, reason, emotion. Yes, baby. You're hiding from the sun? He's literally behind the backdrop. Just did some yoga. The mat is still here. Ray is sleeping on this. I have my pajamas right here. You can tell by the condition of my house that I ain't feeling that great today. Though it's a sunny day. Had some shit to film for this. Had to film shit for that. And here I am with almost 2 fucking kgs of serum on my face because more the clips the better, right? That's what I've learned in the past few days. I mean, I love my job. I don't really have to do a lot. I don't have to go out. I don't have to meet anyone. It's just that the pressure, you know? My head tells me, why don't you make better content? Just realize that Indian brands really like generic stuff. Stand in front of a white wall, have that aesthetic every girl has where you're so fucking minimal and you only wear beige clothes and you wear a golden hoop and you look really successful and then you have really clear skin and then you pin your hair up and then you wear gloss. That's the only thing that sells in the market these days and I'm not that style of girl. So what annoys me is they see my profile, they see how I am, they see my work and I'm not that girl, but then they reach out to me and then they tell me to be this girl that I'm not, and it kind of pisses me off. But work is work. Gotta make the money. I don't want to complain. I'm gonna go drink some water because I'm dehydrated. But we did have plans to go out together in the evening, but I'm not sure. I'm on meds. Totally forgot to tell you. I'm on antidepressants now because my mental health went down the drain since like June. So I went to the doctor. Hooray! And yeah, trying to cope up with it better. The saddest part about me is that I have a job that I like. I have friends that I can trust. I have a mom who loves me. I'm okay too. I'm not that bad looking, and I also know I'm not a bad person. Just nothing satisfies me. It's like, Leila, I'm sorry. I won't self-load. My dog really doesn't like it when I start self-loading. It's okay. Yeah, so today was supposed to be a jolly day, but my mood just went down. Anyways, I hope my negativity doesn't touch your heart, but I just wanted you to know that people go through hard times, and I've been going through one too. I have no fucking idea when I'll get out of it. It's been a while. I've lost faith that I'm gonna get better, but let's see. Life can surprise me. See you later, alligators. Bye. Day, and this is what we're doing. I'm filming content and Libby is just chilling with us. Really sunny, feels like Dasai. My face is fucking up. No issues. I've learned to live with my face fucked up. Face fucking up is just part of life. I've accepted it. Okay, took a shower just to film content. That's the dedication of a content creator. So this is the kind of, I don't know if you can see, but that's the kind of mess we make every time we film. Those are new leg warmers. Those are my favorite. I've been wearing it every day. Seriously. I went out twice. I wore it twice. Hello guys, we have Pinky here. Why don't you give it OOTD? Pinky was out on a date. Stockings, this cat. Yep, now she's about to make me some dinner because it's currently 7:35 and I haven't eaten anything. Kimchi noodles. I was editing. When I start editing, I lose track of time. Wait a second, I also want to show you something. मेरो बुट्टी is out section. I got this yesterday at Tara Line. Do you see how cute it is? I'm such a New Jeans fan, so anything bunny I will get. Because I'm a bunnies. This is a newfound love of mine. Smells like kiwi, but it's crackers, really. This is what it looks like. From the first time I looked in your eyes. Stocking. Squeeze. My homie got me some sausage. You want some tea?
What tea?
Somebody called me last night. I just wanted to okay to go. We'll give my number and it's like that. I'll keep it a secret for now.
Whoa! What is this?
What is this? I hope he's good looking, bro.
So now it's recording? 1 second.
Gravy on the language change as soon as she turned on the recording
Camera.
button. She touched the recording button. I speak in Nepali. Too pretty from the going out. Can I show you a picture?
Yes.
I'm in my bow era right now.
She's always been in her bow era, to be quite honest.
Good bag. It's from Mango.
Mango. Oh.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Apparently there are more brown. She does.
Oh, she does. She's the one.
Brown.
Oh, I don't like brown.
Chooses brown over black, and I choose black, and you choose black. Your turn.
I noticed it last time.
Wow, twins.
She and I were about to wear the same kind of jacket. Yeah. I made her wear this.
Alright, okay, give me your foot check. Foot check. You are coming. You are coming. She's coming. She's coming. You're coming in the frame. Cute, cute, cute.
Guys, should we change our accent? Should we start talking?
What use this? What
Should we start talking in a different accent from now on?
They do British better than me, though. My British is really bad.
When I do British, people say I sound more like Australian.
Oh, yeah, you do. Bye. Cheers.
Baby, baby, there will always be space for you and me, right where you left it. And just maybe, enough time will pass. We'll look back and laugh. Just don't forget it, baby. I'm wrong for right. Baby, I'm wrong for writing this song. Losing my head over you. And I'll be here 'cause we both know how it is. Don't want things to change. Pray they stay the same. Always, always, and I don't care if you're with somebody else. Give you time and space. Just know I'm not a phase. Always, always, always. 'Cause I don't care if you're with somebody else. Give you time and space. Just know I'm not a phase. Always, always, always. 'Cause I don't care if you're with somebody else. Give you time and space. Just know I'm not a phase. Always, always, always. 'Cause I don't care if you're with somebody else. Give you time and space. Just know I'm not a phase. Always, always, always. 'Cause I don't care if you're with somebody else. Give you time and space. Just know I'm not a phase. Always, always, always. 'Cause I don't care if you're with somebody else. Give you time and space. Just know I'm not a phase. Always, always, always. 'Cause I don't care if you're with somebody else. Give you time and space. Just know I'm not a phase. Always, always, always. 'Cause I don't care if you're with somebody else. Give you time and space. Just know I'm not a phase. Always, always, always. 'Cause I don't care if you're with somebody else. Give you time and space. Just know I'm not a phase. delivered. We got kimbap. We've been super gichu since Dosai season, I guess.
Yeah. It's the season. All we wanna eat.
It's coffin season, so we're like bulking up for the
Coughing season.
coffin season. Guys, I fucking hate my haircut.
Guys, the gelato slapping.
Slaps are Lily wants some too. Oh my god, I don't know
Okay,
my
I'm
hair.
excited.
Look at my hair. It makes me look so fucking butty.
Tinku is a fucking drama queen.
I like my hair long. 뭐 이게 뭐야? 짜증나. This is my
And
favorite
when
flavor.
when I tell her my hair problem, she's like, "Oh my god, what is wrong with you?" That's what she
Wala
says.
to scale the sissy that is mabuzan na. And I like her hair curly, her natural hair.
I do not.
The blueberry man. Wow, the blueberry is so fucking good.
Yeah, it's really good. Oh, Shia. Just pour it in here now.
Fuck no.
Yes. You are going to pour.
This gelato is from
Loafing
Around.
I think that's the only place we get gelato at.
Oh yeah, I guess so. This is the blueberry, what flavor? Yogurt flavor. Literally, don't ask me for this. I can't share. Very stingy with my gelato.
Your mother does not love you. She loves her gelato more. Oh my god, Raven's feeling betrayed.
Little bit.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Fucking wearing a white track pant and white sweatshirt. I don't really know how to open this because it's leaking.
Wow, 완전 맛있어.
Yeah. Have you guys been seeing that ad? Whisper period panties. It was so funny. Like, why?
Man, where did you see that?
I don't have like Spotify subscription, so it like comes up.
That was the craving of my life.
Ooh,
Ooh, it's that paste that we get there. This paste we only get it in
local cafe.
local cafe.
And this is kimchi sauce. So I'm just gonna use my hands to eat. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put some chutney. No, what is this called? Aze. And we're gonna take some kimchi. 없어. 소야 소스가 없어. Okay. Wow. We use a lighter to light the candles. Okay. Oh my god.
I want the sauce. Want to marry a Korean guy so that I can eat Korean food for life.
Yeah, want somebody who can cook me Korean, like a Korean person. Oh my god, do you think it's gonna fit? Yeah, are you sure?
I mean, I could make this kimbap and chip, but not the other stuff.
You know what, I really want to eat kimbap which has not been cut into pieces.
Just the whole thing.
I saw it in like Goblin. The girl eats it like that. I'm like, oh my god.
Seen it in He Was Cool when I was a kid. The brother eats the whole thing.
Yeah.
Since
That looks
then,
so good, right?
Ajim, he's like, go chari ko it.
I could eat this every single day and not get sick of it, you
I
know?
could eat one plate by myself.
Yeah.
So, yeah, the thing is, you know, if you're ordering food, it's better to order kimbap than chicken because chisobayo. Not a big deal.
Eat cheese when you're done. She was going for Korean chicken, but I said no because I cannot bite the chicken. And I asked her, are you going to shred the chicken for me? And she was like, no.
I said, yeah.
Yeah, you said yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Ooh, what did I draw?
Bye. It was delivered by Pinky, so
Pinky. Thank you so much,
Pinky.
Pinky. We love you. I hope you always buy us food and keep us happy.
Yeah.
So that you can be happy. If you know what I mean. Okay.